Back to another part of the 96 SS Impala, putting on suicide doors. Right here we got everything cut out. Fabricated the double hinge into the farthest point back on the door. You put them top to bottom, the door won't open all the way, so these got to be at the farthest, longest point at the door, right on the back corner. Everything's set up. It's actually cut out into the wheel well. Only way that it will actually fit on this car. We need to brace all this. Just make it a temporary setup for everything to make sure everything aligns, works correctly, and then we'll fully weld it into place.